Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good afternoon to one and all. We wholeheartedly welcome you all for this Day 3 Faculty Development Program on AI for Educators, a 6 days faculty development journey. It's my great pleasure and honor to welcome and introduce our chief guest, Dr. L. Rama Parvati ma'am, who has graciously accepted our invitation and joined with us today. Dr. L. Rama Parvati ma'am, working as an Associate Professor Senior at Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai, Chennai campus, Chennai. She has 23 years of academic training and teaching students, including 8 years of research. She graduated with an MA in Computer Science and Engineering from Anna University, Chennai, and a PhD in Information and Communication Engineering from Anna University, Chennai. She has published in many journals which are all indexed in Scopus and Web of Science. Under her research guidance, 3 research scholars completed their PhD and awarded doctorate degree. So generated fund rupees 2 lakhs for the consultancy project Apply UNI web application development carried out for Quebec Infosys Private Limited Chennai, and this project has completed in 3 months. And generated fund rupees 30,000 for the consultancy project e-voucher carried out for the ProView India Engineering Private Limited, and this project has completed in 2 months. She has invited as a resource person for more than 20 programs to deliver the lectures through seminar, webinar, guest lectures, and various faculty development programs. She has received NPTEL Star, NPTEL Enthusiastic Award, NPTEL Discipline Star Award, and the NPTEL Believers Award by NPTEL IIT Madras, Chennai. Also, she has received the Best Teacher Award in the academic year of 2014 to 15 in SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. So it's my great honor on behalf of Department of Software Engineering, Riyar Maniamma Institute of Science and Technology, I wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am, to handle this session.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Whether I'm audible?
Ah, yes, ma'am, it's audible, ma'am.
Whether I'm audible, ma'am?
Ah, yes, ma'am, it's audible.
And then my screen is visible?
Ah, yes, it's visible, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Uh, but one thing, I'm unable to share my videos. I'm unable to start
Ah,
share my videos. So just go by this way. Okay. Uh, thank you. Thank you, Ansham, ma'am, for inviting me for this 6 day FDP program. Today's topic is AI tools for educator. Yeah. So the flow is like this. First, I'm going to tell what is AI tools, and I'm going to list out some of the tools teachers can use, and some of the tools we can use it to prepare the presentation, and then some of the tools which the researchers can use to write their research papers, and some of the tools which is used to paraphrase their content. Okay, so many AI tools are available, but for this for today's session, we are going to see one or two. per lesson plan, unit plan, and then we can generate a quiz also, and then curriculum development also we can do it. So this, I think, this web page is visible to everyone. Can anyone please? Whether this web page is visible? Can anyone? Yes, yes, okay. So just in Google, just you type Aliana AI, you have to enroll it for free. It's a free AI tools only. This is the interface this Aliana AI tools will give. Using this Aliana AI tools, we can create a curriculum creator, we can create image generators. Okay, so if you give some prompting, it will give the image also we can generate. And then you can create some slides. Slides also we can generate based upon the things what prompt we are giving. You can generate the slides for our courses also. So now I'm going to explain how to create some curriculum creators. Okay, so here you see this. In this page, we are having how to generate the syllabus and then scope for sequencing tool, unit planner, lesson planner, quiz generator. These are the tools are available in Aliana. Just we'll see this unit planner. Using this AI tool, just we get explored with unit planner and quiz generator. Now I click this unit planner. So it is asking for which unit you are interested to generate. So I want to generate for a relational database, and then for which grade, for which standard you want to generate for 11th, and what is the subject. It will give the list of the things. So under information technology, you can upload the content, the unit, for which unit you want to generate, what what I'm expecting. Okay, from Google Drive or OneDrive or from the computer also you can upload it. Just it is taking some time. Just please bear with me. So unit one, I'm asking to do it. So three files you can upload it. I'm asking this unit one to do it. So get started. You click started. Your AI, this tool will generate your unit planner. So here the desired outcome. What is the outcome of this unit? By clicking this AI generate, this tool will generate what is the outcome of this unit. So it is generating. So just based upon the unit content what I gave, it is listing out. Okay. So what are the outcomes if the student finished this unit means it is listing out. So essential question I want the ensuring this key concept, and then what is the transfer goal, that also. If you click, so here you see, if we select, we want to generate all these start, these are mandatory one. Okay. So if you are not satisfied with this outcome, you can try again. You can click try again also. It will rephrase it. The AI tool will rephrase and give. Okay. So some advanced inputs are also whether prior knowledge is required to finish this thing, it will list out. So now my question is for database. So students should have the basic understanding of information technology concepts and terminologies. Some of the SQL basic things he has to know, all those things. Okay. So after this, we want to move to the next step. So nothing. I'm not going to give anything. So next, generate the output of this. So it will take some time to generate. So it is generating. Identify the desired results, transfer what it is, essential questions. For this unit one, what are the essential questions? So if he finish it, what is the basic understanding? What he get? What is the key concepts? Okay, so in this first unit, what are the key concept he is going to learn it? All those things it is done. So if you are not satisfied with, you can regenerate also. So like that it will go. The next one. So how many performance tasks you are expecting? Okay. So the evaluation method. What is the task you are asking? Performance task also you can give. And then how many assessments? If you are not satisfied with this, you can proceed with it. How many assessment you are expecting? 3 assessment, formative, summative, diagnostic. I am sufficient with formative and summative. That's okay. So now generate the output. So performance task it is producing. A tool is giving all the things, your success criteria, what it is, and then self assessments. If you are not satisfied with it, you can regenerate. So you can continue with the next step. In this, what is the activity you are supposed to give for this unit? It will suggest you what activities you can give for this. It will suggest you group activity or whatever it is. The teaching methods and techniques, how you are going to, how teacher is going to do it. Use based learning approach you are going to give, or flipped classroom strategy you are going to use it. And resource and materials also your AI tool itself will give. So the textbooks or YouTube for this unit, what I gave for that, what textbook is preferred. That also it will generate and give the textbooks. You see, SQL in 10 minutes, worksheets, handbooks, videos, YouTube videos. Okay, if you are not satisfied, what textbook that I am asking is not available means you can change it. You can try again. You can perform, try again, and then you can do it. So now generate the output. So it will generate this everything we want to generate it. So stage by stage, 3 levels it is going, stage. Instructional, here your project based flip. So after completing all those things, if I give generate the final output, it will download as a single document. So after that, you want to give generate. So your final output is given like this. Okay, full output is delivered. So using this, you can download it. You can save it or you can download and view as a PDF. So this is the one method. You can download and you can do it. Yes. So full unit wise, full content you can get it. So now we are going to, just a minute. Now we are going to test for a quiz topic. Okay, for the same thing, for same class and the subject also. I'm going to give, and then same unit. I'm going to share it to the computer. You can generate. So this AI tool will generate the quiz, the multiple choice question in what fashion you want. Completely, it will give. Okay, like the previous one, you can also add more documents. You can combine two or three units and then give it. Okay, so content to be covered. So what content? So here this AI tool is using the example unit what I shared. Okay, so number of questions. How many questions I'm expecting in my, it's getting loaded. Okay, 10 question. I want 10 questions. Whether my screen is visible?
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, 10 question. And the number of duration is 20 minutes. And then you can also type how many questions you want, what type of question, or you can ask your AI to generate. So this AI tool itself, it will generate. So how many MCQs, how many true or false, how many filling the blanks, how many match the questions. You can change this also. So instead of six, I can give five here, and then matching questions I can give two, so that it should match this one. Okay. So difficulty level also you can set, so that among five, how many are easy, how many are tough, hard, all those things. That's it. And then area of assessment, these are optional only. I'll go here, just I'll generate the quiz. You see this? It is giving the instructions also what to be followed. You have 20 minutes to complete. It is listing out based upon the unit what I shared to the AI. It lists out the multiple choice question, five multiple choice question, two true mark, one filling the blanks and match the question. At the end, you are getting answer key also. If you are not satisfied with this questions, you can also regenerate this. So after that, you can download it. So here you see, it is after that, if you want to mix it, some suggestion also it is giving. So through this window, you can communicate, you can talk, you can chat with the AI, and then so this question is not, add more detailed descriptions to the matching questions, so that my matching question is what you gave is not sufficient for me. So just you rewrite. add more detailed description to the matching question. So whatever you can give prompt here itself, or the suggestion what AA tool is given, you can select and then you can chat it. Okay. So by this you can get it. So here you see it is changed completely. It is changed. You are getting the answer keys, all those things. Okay. So now after getting that, you can give accept. After that, you can download it or you can copy it. You can download as a PDF and then you can put it in LMS and you can work it out. Okay, fine. So here, this all other things, more things are there. You can generate the rubrics also, learning. So here you see that festive Christmas poster for kids will generate. So you can give some prompting and then you can generate also. Okay, so now we are not going to concentrate on this. You can try in this AI tools, we can try some other things also. Okay, stop sharing. So this is for teacher. Now we are going to see whether this slide is visible. Now we are going to see some of the AI tools which is used to prepare some presentation. So using ChatGPT, I think everyone knows how this ChatGPT works. So using ChatGPT, we can give the prompt. Can anyone say that is my slide? PPT slide is visible to everyone. Please, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So in ChatGPT, you are going to give some prompt. So I want some 6 or 7 slides in this area. Just to generate this like that, you can give in ChatGPT the prompt. So this ChatGPT will give the content for 6 slides using Microsoft 365. You can generate these slides. Okay. So now we are going to see how to do this. Since it is an hands-on session, the network is coming. It's very slow. Okay. So now my ChatGPT screen is visible. Here I am typing one prompt. Provide an overview of blockchain technology covering concepts like decentralized ledger, smart contract, and consensus algorithm. Develop 6 slides and fill the slides with relevant text. Okay. So it is giving the content fully, all the content it is giving. So now I'm going to, here you see the slide 1 and its content, slide 2 and its content, slide 3, its content 16. So now we are going to convert these slides filling this slides, this content into slides. How we are going to do it. So now just you move to just open, just log in Microsoft 365 and then open the Microsoft Word in Microsoft 365 and paste that content, what we got it from ChatGPT, and then export that content into presentation. So now I opened my Microsoft 365. In that, just I am opening a Word document, a blank Word document. Just I opened. So in this, whatever I copied from ChatGPT, just I paste here. So the data is specified you know. So the attribute first out here. The attribute. So now here, uh, okay. So now the content what I shared, what I got it from ChatGPT. This one I am just I pasted in a Word document in Microsoft 365. Now export as Microsoft presentation. Export to presentation. So here n number of themes you can get it. If you are not satisfied with the themes, what is visible here, you can load and then export. So it is preparing the slides. Now you can open the presentation. You can get your presentation. So by this way, I think network is by this way we can generate the documents. So we'll go with the another AI tools, AI tools which is used to uh, generate the switch between the tabs are very difficult. Thought of sharing all these things. So the another AI tools to generate presentation is Gamma AI, which is used to generate um, presentation. Okay, so you can either paste the text what you got it from ChatGPT, or you can give some one-line prompt to generate a PPT, or you can import a file also. So now I'm going with the generate. So if I click this, yeah, what I want is as a presentation. So it will generate 8 cards, and in English you can change the English or and which language you want the presentation to be generate. That also we can give. Okay, so the uh, same prompt I am giving here also, but here by default you are getting 8 cards. You can also reduce it or increase it also. Okay, a 1 card, 2 card, or whatever it is. Generate outline. So by this, it will generate the outline of your PPT. One by one, it is giving. So blockchain, benefits of blockchain, technology, use case of blockchain. In case if you want some more cards to be added, means you can add it. Okay. So by default, it will give 400 credits. If we it is an open free AI to generate the presentation. Here you see, when you register, it will give 400 credits. Whenever you are generating a PPT or presentation, 40 credits will get reduced. So if you want to generate it, based upon the card, number of cards and the number of designs and the number of language, the type of language what you are choosing to generate the thing, your credits will get reduced. Okay, so here whether you want to use AI images or web image itself. Okay, so I'm interested in AI image itself. So you can give some optional colors or style or whatever it is. Based upon the selection, your presentation will generate it. So it is getting generated. Here, this is the theme. Here, you can change the theme also, which is more pleasant for you. You can change it. Okay. So now if you click generate, now I chosen some style, some theme. So using that theme, your PPT is getting generated. So it will take some time. Okay. After your AI tool got generated, your 8 cards, you can change. It will come with AI designed uh, images. You can change your own images. If you want to change some images or some content, if you want to change it, means that also you can do it. So it is generating the first part. Second card, it is generating. So introduction to blockchain technology, and then it is generating your thing. So if you want to change it, you can change it. It is giving its own images, a generate images, your key features. So if in between, if you want to add some card, you can add some blank cards. And then if you want to add cards with AI means you can do it. Okay. So if from any other templates, if you want to add in between the thing, you can do it. So here you see it is using its own thing. If you don't want this image, if you want to replace it, you can replace it. Add some commands, you can do it. You can change the card style also. You can drag and drop. You can do many things. Here you see the AI generated presentation for blockchain. Okay. So if you want to, if you are okay with this, if you are satisfied with it, you can present here. Here you can present. Okay. And you can, if you click this, it will go to presenter mode. Or if you want to share it, you can share it to mail, like a Google form usually will share, no? Like that you can do it. Or we can download it also. Okay, you can export it as a PDF, you can export as a PowerPoint. In any ways, you can do it based upon the interest what you want. You can do it. Okay, so just you can export to PDF. So it is exporting, and you can download it to your machine, and then you can work it out. So this AI tool is used for presentation. Okay, so one document, one PPT is ready for view. The screen is visible. Okay, fine. So that's all about this AI tool. You can do more magic using this presentation. Presentation AI tool. So like this, another AI tool is there, DOM AI. It's both are similar. Only the purpose what we are, where we are going to use it, what for we are going to use it, it matters here. So now we are going to see whether the screen is visible. Now we are going to see the tools what we can use it for researchers. So these are the tools we can use it when we are doing some research or so SEA space. This is the tool which is used to upload using this AA tool. We can use. Uh, we'll get some answer from the PDF paper, PDF journal papers what we are uploaded, and then you can get back some citations also. So this is one of the very good AI tool which is used for researching. And then Jenny AI, this using this AI tool, it acts as a text editor. Okay, so you in this text editor, if we start writing any document, it will suggest. So whether the sentence what I gave is okay or not. If you need some changes in that, you can regenerate. Whether if it is okay, you want to accept it, you can add some citation, you can edit it like that. We can do it using GenAI. And then we are having the another tool called a chat doc. So like chat doc, we are having another AI tool called chat PDF also. In what's the difference between chat doc and chat PDF is using chat doc, we can point out some images what we uploaded that is in the PDF. We can point out some images or some formulas in that research paper, and then you can ask some question. Just please explain what is available, what is can you explain more better for this? You give the insight what this formula is telling. Like that, we can point out and then we can get it through chat doc. And then WordTune Read. This tool is used to generate some summaries of the articles and documents and a YouTube video. Just you upload the YouTube video link in this WordTune Read, and on behalf of you, it read full document and it gives the summary what this document or what this video is telling to better understand. For example, a very long, that's a very lengthy paper is there means it will take more time to understand or more time to read that document. Okay, so this AI tool will do a crisp work of what is available as summary of what content is available in that article, and it will give. Okay, so like what you read this explain paper also, it will explain the document what you uploaded in better understanding. Okay, so now we'll see some. Okay, so now the size space. So everything in a Google Drive, yeah, sorry, in Google search button, if you type this AI AI tool name, it will open up, and then first you have to log in using your Gmail account. Okay, so no pricing is there for the basic usage of this AI tool. If you want to utilize more thing, more search, if you want to do it, means then only the pricing is there. So pricing is available. What are the facilities we can do it in SEA space? You can add this SEA space as a Google Chrome extension also. It is available. By that, it will give. Just a minute, it is getting loaded. Just a minute. My Wi-Fi is somewhat, it's getting delayed. Whether my page is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible now.
Mm. Yes, ma'am. Okay, pricing is listed like this. For basic, no credit card is required. Copilot answer, unlimited Copilot messages, unlimited literature review search, limited paraphrase output, we can do it. So premium are available like this. Okay, so this basic itself, it is sufficient for basic work. So Chrome extensions, you can also add this AI tool to your Google Chrome also. By that, for every whatever you can integrate this Google Chrome extension to your Chat GPT. More explanation we can get that. Okay, so here you see this uh, literature review. In this, I want what is the some prompt I am giving. So it will give the insights from top 5 papers based upon the prompt what I gave with citation. So this paper, it is listing the all the from where this content is taken, what is it, what which content is summarized and given in this place. All those things as a tooltip, it is given. Okay, and then here you see this, the cited papers you can also download as an Excel or as a PDF, you can also export it. So here by default it is listing sample 10 papers, so relevant to the question what I that what I given in the prompt. Based upon that, some 10 papers it is listing out most relevant, and then you can also select top tier papers or open access papers only I want to see, or all the PDF, no HTML, I don't want to see the HTML, I want to see the PDF document, means show the papers with PDF that alone. So by that you can get the filters. So in addition to that, here you see, you can see for this paper what is the conclusion. As a summary of all the things, you can see in one click, you can see the conclusion of all the 10 papers. Okay, and what is the result conclusion they gave? It takes some time. So in one click, you can add all the documents. So it is getting refreshed. Okay, what is the insight of the paper? What is the question? What question I gave as a prompt for that? What is the insight? It is taking some time. It's taking some time for it. So the conclusion, it is listing the conclusion, listing the insight of this paper, what this paper discuss. Okay, as a summary, you can get it. In one click, we can read all the 10 papers, and then what is the conclusion, what is the result. Okay, it will take some time to get all the information. Instead of this, you can also give here summarized abstract. You can select it, practical implication. Other than that, something if you want to know means that also you can give. Custom columns also you can also design and give. So after getting it, you can export it as CSV file or Excel or BIPLs, XML. In any mode, you can download this content. Okay, so this is useful for your literature review for any topic. So next is Copilot. This Copilot, using that Copilot, you can choose some file. So I'm choosing one file similar to this, but you can choose, you just use store. I'm choosing this file, and from this file you can ask any question. So it takes some time to input it. So now I'm adding this to one collection to that library. After that, you can ask what, any n number of questions. Okay, so it will give some example prompt also. So explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. What are the contribution of this paper? Find the related paper like this. Okay. So now you can select it and you can ask, explain this text. I'm not able to understand this meaning for it. Give the explanation for it, and then you can get the related paper, and you can save it after if you after getting some explanation for that. You can save that in the notebook. Okay. So now I'm asking the question in the chat. I'm asking, explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. It is answering. So the abstract is explained in a minimized manner. So the result of the paper, what is the result of the paper? Predefined prompts are available. In addition to that, you can ask your own thing. Okay, what is the result? It is concluding. Okay, so the source, where it is present in that paper, where it is present, it will give. Okay, so in this page, it's located. Please locate this content in this page. You can locate it from where this explanation is given to you. Okay, fine. So next, in this diagram, yeah, in this paper, I want the meaning for this. Explain the mathematical formula of this. Just to explain it. Okay, the explanation. Explain the text. It will explain what is the meaning of this. So the highlighted text in a simplified manner, it is explaining by its own way. So what does TP represents? Can get it. So without getting any help from any other human being, from AI tools, you can get the meaning of any formulas or what is the insight of it. Please explain. For example, let us give this. Um, give give the explanation for table 1. Okay. So table 1. So what is this? What is the purpose of this table 1? What it is telling in this paper? Okay. Provides the table presents the accuracy result for two different approaches is giving. Okay. So all the explanation we can get it. So this is the work. So this is the work of Copilot. So now you can also generate the citation generator. In Google, we are having in Google Scholar, you can get the citation. If I'm searching one document, you can get to that's what you can open the Google Scholar, you can paste that document, and then you can get the citation. So using this citation generator, using this tab, you can store it in your collection also. Okay, and then next is paraphraser. It is one of the paraphrasing scholarly paraphrasing tools. So just you copy and then how what level of uh, uh, text it is, whether you want to paraphrase in a formal way or a creative or as an academic purpose, then you can rephrase it. So here in a single click, you can paraphrase 500 words. Okay, so if I don't want this one, you can rephrase it also. So it will give some suggestions. So in what way you want, whether this one or this one, you can rephrase it. Okay, and then in this tab itself, you can check it whether it is AI generated text or not. So it will tell the percentage, 0% AI generated, something, some AI generated, some, if that's what. Nowadays in Turnitin, we are having the facilities to identify AI generated uh, documents. Okay. So this one, using this, we can also avoid those things. A director, you can add the Google extension. If you add this Google extension to your Google Chrome, you can install it. So it automatically it will get updated. It is added to your Google search, and then what are all the if I am going to search some words, means it will give the explanation. Okay, automatically it will give the explanation of that word or the related paper associated with that word. It will list it out. Okay. Next AI tool, what we are going to see is Genie AI. So this Genie AI is an autocomplete. Okay, so if we start giving the prompt, it automatically it will we can write some blog. So uh, like this for all other AI tools, we have to log in like this only. So just use open the new document and give an essay on blockchain technology. Okay, it is telling it is an average prompt. Some keywords it is expecting. So an essay on blockchain technology and smart contract. It is giving in today's rapid change. It is giving it whether this is okay for you, you accept it. Okay. Now you can give. Just continue writing. Jenny is writing. Okay, it is an auto. It will automatically it will write the content what is required related to the prompt what I gave. It will start writing. So accept it. It is okay. It is accepting. Okay. So you can also give citation. So here add citation. For this you can add citation. Okay. But for citation we want to unlock it. Currently I'm using uh, basic thing only. We want to upgrade it to unlock the citation. Okay, so upgrade it means we want to pay and use it. Okay, so this one we can download as an latex, okay, as a dot text or as a word or an HTML also we can download it, and then you can download and then you can upload. You can share it. You can use it in your machine. Okay. So this is one example for Genie AI. So what is the purpose of this Genie AI is auto complete. If you give some content based upon your prompt, it will give. So here you
Excuse
see,
me, madam.
yes, sir.
Madam, is there any open source software is there, madam, for this Genie software? No?
But we have
Free
to
software,
pay
free software.
free software. From my knowledge, we are not having. It's an upgrade. We have to upgrade it. Some annual pay of 495, 93 annual. 500 rupees we have to pay it.
Okay, madam. Okay.
So here some facilities are available. Here you see this. You can write the introduction. You can write the conclusion. So now one argument it is started. You start writing opposing, and you can write some more depth also. You can continue like this. We can give some prompt for this a comments also. You can cite it, all those things, but some limitations are there. Okay, since it is not an upgrader, for it is a basic package what I'm using, it's a free package. If you upgrade and use means we can use it and no limitation is there. Here you see this a limit it is showing 200 words only it is generate. Okay, so it's annually it is 500 only. We can I think you can go for upgrade also. So next AI tool is word tune. So here you can like previous AI tool, you can upload the document or you can import the link or paste the thing and then like that you can do it. Just now I'm going to upload a document. It will take some time. So now I uploaded a document. Okay. So it has some limit 20 page, that's what in the another a tool in chat doc only we are having the limit of 20 page only we can upload it for free. Here in this a tool we are not having any limit. So here you see this. I want to know what is the summary of this paper. Okay, so I uploaded this document. So this AI tool is giving the summary of it. Okay, so here you see the introduction and then collaborative filtering time. Okay, so where it is, you can view the source from where it is, this content is picked out, it is highlighting and show. Okay, so if I'm not satisfied with the summary, you can re-summarize it. So that portion alone, it is re-summarized, and then you can copy and paste it somewhere, or you can add some note for it. Okay, this is more important. I'll refer this for in future, like that. Some notes you can load it, so automatically it's get loaded. So here you see this, where it is, this content where this is available. Okay, so this AI tool is used to summarize. Instead of here it is a 33 page document, in a very simple manner it summarize and give what it is. Here it is not going to summarize the formula or the table or the images what is available. Simply the content, essence of the paper is summarized. Next AI tools what we are going to see is chat doc. Okay, so here this is the front. When I type chat doc in Google search engine, you'll get this interface only. So here you see this image itself giving the full explanation of what is the purpose of chat doc. So this icon will explain the formula. You can chat with other files and you can chat with the collection, some libraries, whatever we are giving. And then selectively, so this table, I'm not able to understand this table. So you can select this portion and then you can ask for explanation, and then where some explanation we are getting this page, that your AI tool is explaining the content. What is the, from where this explanation is given? What is the which is the related page for this explanation? And then inline citation also it will give. And then you can select the language also. Okay, I don't want the explanation in English. I want in Tamil, or I want in Telugu. I want in any language, multi-language. Okay, you can select the language also. You can give the follow-up query also, you can get it. Okay. So this is the front page. So now try for free. Here the limitation is that we can upload the file. Here you see in the front page itself, your pricing is given. 20-page PDF you can see, 36 MB files you can see, per hour, per day, 2 files we can upload and see, and then 20 questions we can ask, all those things. For Pro, nothing is there. Okay, so now I am selecting this content and loading the file. In a single click, I'm uploading a single file and I'm getting the explanation for it. The another tab is multiple files we can upload it and then you can ask. Okay. So here you see select. You can select and ask the explanation. So I'm selecting this and I'm asking. So what is it? Explain. Uh, give the uh, abstract in 2 lines. Abstract in 2 lines. Or you can ask some explanation also. So it is giving. So this is the thing. So where it is like that, you can change the language also. You can change the language. Some predefined languages are available. You can change. For Pro, for another tool I saw, in Tamil also it will explain. Okay, so if I ask some query in that means it will explain, it gives the output in Tamil also, in Malayalam, in Hindi, whatever it is. Okay, so here you can select the content and then you can get the explanation. So So these are the tools. I am not telling these are the only tools which researchers can use. These are some of the useful tools. In addition to that, many tools, more tools, n number of tools are available. You can use this. I think this SEA space is more interesting. You can get the citation and then you can get the explanation for any document. If you add this SEA space as a extension, then and there it is giving for in ChatGPT also more specific content. If I want the explanation for any content I want means you can use it. Okay, so I am not telling these are the limited tools. N number of tools are available. You can get explored to them. Okay, so the next thing is paraphrasing. Already everyone are using ChatGPT for paraphrasing. In addition to that, SEA Space also we saw the demo for paraphrasing using SEA Space also, and then already we know that Spinbot, Quillbot also some of the additional AI tools which is used for paraphrasing. As a summary, in today's session, we saw some of the tools which a teacher can use it to develop a lesson plan, to develop quiz, to generate the quiz. And then we saw AI tools for preparing the presentation. That's Gamma AI, Tom AI, and then using Microsoft 365, we can generate the presentation, and then you can download it in any form. And then for researchers, we can use SE Space, Jenny AI, ChatDoc, WordTune Read, and Explain Paper. And then for paraphrasing, we can use all those things. Okay. So thank you for patiently listening my thing. In between, some disturbance happened for switching my screen to another screen. So that's what like some difficulties I think I faced in sharing my screen in another thing. So by this, I'll finish my session. If any query is there, for my understanding. Okay, so I am not well versed in all the AI tools what is available in the world. Okay, so I'll give some suggestion what we can do it, which AI tools we can go up, like that we can, I give that suggestion. Okay, if any queries, I try to answer it. Thank you. I'll stop sharing.
It's really very innovative and informative with the live examples, ma'am. It was really interesting. Thank you so much, ma'am. Dear participants, if there is any queries, it's the time to ask.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your. Thank you.
Dear participants, if you have any queries, you can ask now.
Some of them ask that most of the good AI softwares are paid. Yeah, some are paid only. We can achieve uh, more thing in the free also, but some limitations are there. So six slides only they can do it, or 20 queries only we can ask per day. Like that, some limitations are there. Uh, Other than that, these AI, what I explained today, are more useful for your research also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
In the chat GPT, can we use the mathematical equation, ma'am?
What's sir?
Mathematical equation. In the
Equation
chat
for?
GPT,
Uh,
can we
uh,
use the mathematical equation?
equation for ChatGPT, we want to go for the another version. We are having the higher version, no? 4 point. This is currently, that is in current paid version only we can work on the equations. The ChatGPT 3.5, currently it's an open free using. No? For that, in that we can't use formulas explanation. In ChatGPT 4, we can use the formulas. If you want the explanation for formula means, you can go with these AI tools what I mentioned. You can go for chat doc or explain WordTune. All those AI tools will explain the formulas. Simply just you select. I show the demo, I think so. Just you select the formulas, what is available in your PDF document, and then if you ask for explanation, it will explain the thing, explain the formula. One of the participant asked any AI for getting learning notes, giving some prompt like syllabus content. So here, the first AI tool, what I told earlier, it is Aliana. In that resource, we can download the resource. You can develop syllabus content also by giving some prompt. We can do it. Is there any AI for finding literature for literature review? I just know lit plans. I'm not able to understand the question. Finding literature for literature review. So I think in SCA space, we can get the literature review as an Excel document. We can download it. I think yeah, it is already available. Just show. I think I close the tabs. Wait. This literature review. Yeah, I close the tabs. We can use it. The columns, if you add, I think I gave the demo for this, how to get your literature review. That's simply give the prompt in SE space, SE space AI tool. It will give top five or 10 papers relevant to the title, what you are giving. Based upon that, you can get the conclusion what all the 10 papers are telling, what's the summary of all the 10 papers in the Excel or in CSV file, you can download it. Okay. Okay. Any other question or otherwise, shall I? Huh? Thank you.
I hope there is no other question, ma'am. Shall we wind up, ma'am?
Yes. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the organizer for inviting me
Yes,
for
thank
this
you.
FDP. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
son.
for
Thank you.
accepting invitation and spending your valuable time with us, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your live session. It's a really interesting. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.